Kungaloosh adventurers, welcome to another TMR Tours with a very special look at some pre-construction areas. Hey guys, welcome to another TMR Tours here at Fantasia Gardens Miniature Golf. Now we're not actually going to talk about golf, we're going to talk about some coming construction.
That's right, there's already something here and we'll take a look around and show you what it looks like now so that when something new is built, you'll be able to see the before and the after.
So we're here, TMR, gathering some historical shots just for you. And we're gonna see it before, and in a few years, we'll see the after. For those that don't know all the details, the Swan and Dolphin Resort here at Walt Disney World is expanding to another tower resort. There's some concept art right here. As you can see, the overview right there as well. The proposed hotel site is where the tennis courts are. The event pavilions in the lower end of property there are probably going to be expanded parking. So this area, although it is very beautiful as it lies now, is all going to transition and change in the coming years. The event pavilions on this side of the property across the lake from Fantasia Gardens Miniature Golf have been really underutilized in the last few years, so it was an easy decision, I'm sure, to go ahead with the construction renovations, as well as the demolition of these would also be easy considering they are just canopies. Now the circus motif is fun. You have these kind of two pavilions that look like big top tents. You have this dancing hippo area, which was the smaller venue of the two, but as you can see, still very expansive and could hold a lot of people. This center section and tent area was where the bathrooms were housed for both event areas, so no matter if you were on this side or the other side, you'd also meet in that center location to use the bathroom. And this is what I meant by saying it was kind of underutilized, undercleaned, undermaintained. There's algae, mold, just things all around that were very apparent that this was not used anytime recently. Another thing that kind of caught our eye was the markings on the ground. This is sure evidence of construction coming soon because it is markings for a utility of some kind. Now the other side of the pavilion, as you can see, very expansive, almost twice the size of the other side, and I would say this could house easily a few thousand people. Due to the fact that there's multiple convention spaces all over Walt Disney World property, that probably contributed to the downfall of this area. Not to mention, being outdoor in the Florida heat, that would be a hard sell for many people. The proximity here to Fantasia Gardens Miniature Golf is actually really close, right across the lake as I said earlier, but this whole area soon will most likely become more parking area for the new resort. As you can see, more evidence of that utility work most likely happening right now. So let's take a stroll down this sidewalk path by these beautiful palm trees. We're actually going to take a peek at another section of this renovation. Heading towards the tennis courts over by Fantasia Gardens, they are actually Swan and Dolphin Resort guest tennis courts. So although they probably wouldn't hassle you if you use them, they are specifically supposed to be for Swan and Dolphin guests only. However, this is the location where the resort itself is going to be built. So right now, this whole tennis court area is in demolition, and one of the reasons, again, in the current theme of this whole video, is the underutilization of it. As you can see, no one's on the tennis court right now even using it, and even at the time of this video, markings were already being made on the tennis court as well. Being that this house is 4 tennis courts, it is a lot of property, and I can see why they want to repurpose it.
What is this? We have a leave behind. And look, oh, it has been here. Look how long it has been here. It has actually stained the ground around it from water dripping off the edge of the ball. We're telling you, no one comes over here.
So the signs of Swan and Dolphin were all over the tennis court area, and soon this whole tennis court property will in fact be a new resort. If you enjoyed this info and enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. If you want to see some 360 images from this area, check out our other page, TMR 360, on Instagram and Facebook.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Drop a comment below with what you want to see next.
For more information and Disney tips, check out all of our social media. See you on another adventure from around the world. Congaloosh!